Sandra.
And I'm Gail. Welcome to today's Pgtv episode.
Attention all students interested in chess. The new Piney Grove Chess Club will have our next meeting next Wednesday, November 8th at 8 o'clock in the morning. Students of all skill levels, even those who have never played but are interested in learning, are welcome to come and join the fun. Our next meeting will be next Wednesday, November 8th at 8 o'clock. If you plan on participating, please be in the cafeteria at 8 o'clock sharp. Mr. Thrower and Mrs. Robinson will meet you there.
It's almost basketball season and it's time for PJ basketball cheerleading. Experienced cheerleaders as well as those who are new to the sport are welcome. Tryouts will be on Thursday, November 9th, and a completed sports physical is required to try out. Please see Ms. Respis or Ms. Schubert on the 6th grade hall with any questions.
Have you ever wanted to change the world but did not know where to start? Do you wonder what would make a real difference? The Just One Africa Foundation was founded with the vision to effect change, if it was just for one. Their view is that each human being is created with an inherent value. Therefore, if we can change the world for just one, our efforts matter and are significant. Piney Grove has partnered with the founders of Just One Africa to help with making a difference in the lives of others. Please join us Thursday, 11/7 at 8 o'clock a.m. in the Media Center to make a difference in the lives of vulnerable children and those affected by the clean water crisis in Kenya. We invite you to come alongside your classmates and work together to be the change by providing hope by making a lasting difference in the lives of others. For questions, please see Ms. Blackstone, Ms. Whitley, or Ms. Whitetalis.
The holiday season is upon us, so let's show the grizzly spirit and help others in need. Starting Monday, November 6th until Thursday, November 30th, we will be collecting gift cards in $25 increments and money to donate for those less fortunate than us. All donations will help support the holiday house at the Place of Forsyth. 6th grade will take up donations in math class, and 7th grade will collect an ELA.
Thank you to everyone who submitted their pictures for the first annual Pgtv Halloween costume contest. Winners can stop by the chorus room to pick up their prizes. Here are the results. The 2017 hurricane season has been one of the most destructive in history. Hurricane Harvey, Irma, and Maria caused extensive damage and devastation. Here with an in-depth look at the aftermath and how you can help are Will, Sandra, and Jess.
Hi, I'm Will.
And I'm Jess.
And I'm Sandra.
And welcome to this special edition of World News.
Today we will be covering the aftermath of Hurricane Maria, Harvey, and Irma.
These hurricanes were all devastating, and here's some information about them.
First, we will be talking about Hurricane Irma. 47 of the 67 counties in Florida were destroyed. It was a Category 2, 3, 4, and 5 hurricane at some point along its path, and it killed at least 72 people. There was a mandatory emergency evacuation for over half of Florida. More than 6 million people lost power, and there was up to 3 feet of flooding, costing $50 billion for Florida, $30 billion for the Caribbean and Cuba in repairs. The total cost was over $200 billion. Irma has trashed the Caribbean, Cuba, and most of Florida.
Next we have Harvey. Harvey was a devastating hurricane that hit Texas and parts of Louisiana. It was a Category 4 hurricane that had a diameter of 280 miles. Large buildings, industries, and even houses were destroyed. Because of it, over 30,000 people are living in shelters. Many celebrities have tried to help, but there's still lots of work to be done. However, Texas and the surrounding states are being rebuilt as we speak.
Hurricane Maria was a devastation to Puerto Rico. The damage will cost over $1 billion. Lots of people have been donating, such as Jennifer Lopez, who donated $1 million. Schools in Puerto Rico will open up October 31st on Tuesday. Still, 40% of Puerto Rico is still without drinkable water. There's been a lot of support from outside countries are helping them build back up. There are more than 8,000 FEMA staff workers on the ground in Puerto Rico. The U.S. Virgin Islands aiding recovery efforts after the Hurricane Irma Maria, FEMA said Wednesday. To help with any natural disasters now or in the future, please donate to Team Rubicon at teamrubicon.com.
Thanks for watching. I'm Jess.
I'm Sandra.
And I'm Will.
Next up, we have a few ways for you to use your leftover Halloween candy.
You will need 15 fun-sized Snicker bars, vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup, milk, and whipped cream. Now we are going to take our Snicker bars and put them into our blender, along with 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Once you finish this, you're going to add 1/3 cup of milk, along with a 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup. Now we are going to add 2 cups of whipped cream. Once you blend this all together, you'll have your Snickers milkshake, but also keep in mind any sort of chocolate candy will work. For this, you will need butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, salt, M&Ms, pretzels, and chocolate chips. First, we are going to take a cup of butter and pour it into our bowl. Once you finish this, you can add 2 cups of sugar. Once you are done mixing, you can add 2 eggs along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, in a separate bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour, along with baking powder and salt. Now slowly mix your dry ingredients into your wet ones. Once your texture is thick and pasty, almost like cake batter, you can go ahead and add your pretzels, M&Ms, and chocolate chips. Now you can spread a thin layer of your brownie brittle mix onto your pan. Leave this in your oven for 25 minutes along with a temperature of 370 degrees, and your brownie brittle will end up something like this.
segment, we're taking you on a tour of the PGMS Media Center.
Hi, I'm Molly.
And I'm Nova. Today we're going to discuss important things going on in the Media Center.
Let's start off with Author Spotlight.
Author Spotlight is a way to highlight a certain author each month. This month, Gwendolyn Van Garen, the author of Flipped, will be the focus for this month's Author Spotlight. Another program the Media Center is holding is a readathon.
For the Readathon, you read a book series and write a review about it. You can read and do a review for as many series as you would like. There might even be a prize for each book series that you read.
If you want more information on Author Spotlight and the readathon, visit the Media Center and ask the librarian, Dr. Raj.
I'm Molly.
And I'm Nova.
Don't forget to stop by the library.
That's our show for today, Piney Grove. I'm Gail.
And I'm Shrija. From all of us here at PGTV,
It's Monday. Don't forget to be awesome.